Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and right now I'm in TradingView and I want to talk about volume profiles and one indicator that's very important for traders. And the major thing that you need to know about this indicator is this is the actual excellent tool to set right stop loss and the right target for your trade. So I will show you how to do that, and the biggest catch is how to do that for free. So if you go to indicators and you type profile volume, you will get a script, and as you can see, volume profile, I will just pick from here. You will get the list of several indicators. However, what we will want to find is a script that's calling visible range volume profile. But there is a huge catch here. You need to pay for this indicator. Look this. If you press right now like this, you will get this window and you need to pay or go to the 30 days free trial. Of course, if you want to do that, I will put the link just below. If you want to create an account, maybe use a free trial, maybe use a full indicators and expert advisors, TradingView platform, premium level, no problem. But in this video, I want to show you how to do that for free. So let's repeat again, volume profile, and just pick this word, put this word all. You will see there is a indicator, volume profile all, and that indicator is calling volume profile visible range for all accounts. So the name of the indicator is volume profile visible range for all accounts. I will choose right now this indicator, and you have this. What I will do right now on the chart, I will take, for example, I will take Fibonacci retracement indicator. Why I'm doing this? Just to show you something. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci retracement indicator, and a lot of people think that Fibonacci levels, retracement levels, are strong levels and excellent levels for stop loss and target. Actually, yes, they're better than ordinary other price levels because there is some kind of importance level using the Fibonacci retracement level. So the ranking is usually like this. Previous low or previous high has the highest impact and a strong resistance, a strong support level for future trades. Of course, 30 days stop loss or 30 days target, previous target, can be actually very good and much better than 30 minutes. But when we use Fibonacci retracement, all these levels are not so strong. So this indicator will show you one very important catch here, and this is that some levels, for example like this or this, has a high volume, high trading volume, and this information can help you to choose and to monitor that areas with high volume for your trades. You can put the stop loss there, you're putting target there, or you can just watch and maybe make an entry position there because there's a huge liquidity, huge volume, something can happen there, maybe trend switch, maybe amplification of your trend, you don't know. Another very good thing is this orange line. This orange line here just is showing on the chart on the price level 1.31319 shows the biggest volume. So the biggest volume is just on this price level. It's very good because actually if you watch on the daily chart, we're very close to this level. You can change and put 1 hour chart like this, and you will see, for example, that if we watch last, I can tell, several hours, or maybe if we watch last 2 months, we can see that right now this price level per British pound dollar is something that a very important level where the volume is very high, and this volume here can be very attractive to enter into trade or just to wait to see what will happen. But as you can see, this is very important for us. Look this orange line. Look from the June 15, 2023 up to this day, August 17, 2023. Look this area. What you will see is something extraordinary. Is it price oscillates? Look this. Whole June and July price oscillate here. Again in August price oscillate here. So price oscillate a lot around 1.2717 price level. And this is the something that you need to know. If you put here a stop loss order or target is okay, but stop loss, you need to know the price oscillates around here. So if you want to put the stop loss, put here at 1.26. Why? Because here you will be very secure that, of course, if price breaks this level, it can be a strong downturn, but if not, you will avoid to be wash up. Wash up term traders use when you know put a stop loss, price just go a couple pips over that stop loss, your trade is closed, and after that just go in the direction that you want. And this is the awful, you know, it's you just miss for a couple pips, and instead of to have a profitable trade, you have a losing trade, and it's a bad. So this indicator you should use actually the most to find a good stop loss, and the stop loss need to be out of this zone, need to be on some protective distance like this to avoid to be wash up. However, your target should be, for example, here or all these levels, or for example here where you have a high liquidity and high volume. If we go here where this indicators is and choose about this script, you will get this screen. On this screen, for example, you see the Bitcoin and you see how important level 19231. So $19,000, $231 price level is so important, is so strong. You see how price oscillates the whole September, October, November, December of the last year. And now you know that this price level can be excellent resistance. So if you plan some big trades or some long-term trade, you can see that resistance level can be excellent. But what I wanted is here you can read everything important about this script. Of course, you have a link just below this video on my website where I describe all this video and everything about this. But nevertheless, here you can read about script, you can see how to adjust, how to use the scanner visualization, how to pick the side of volume profile we want, the left or right side, about the color up, color down, color border, anything that you need. And this script is free of charge. Some trader create a script, put here, and instead to pay for the script, you can use free one just in the way I show to you. So I hope that this video is beneficial for you. If you want to find the best spot to make a stop loss, target, entry position, to watch the volume, to watch and find the price levels that are important. Sometimes previous high, low, or a Fibonacci retracement are not enough. Sometimes like this, you can go and check and see and use that information for your trading. So I hope that you will use this indicator in the future, and I hope that will help you in your trading strategies. Thank you a lot for your time. The next video will be again about TradingView. I think that you will enjoy. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.